Hi guys, I'm back. So let's do some lips. In advance, I'm going to say I wasn't a true believer before I got my product in, and then I went into the bathroom. The first thing I did was I tried a lip product because I was like, yeah, right, let me see what this really is all about. So I went into the bathroom, I grabbed I think I grabbed Goddess. I was like, let me see what this is all about. So I grabbed Goddess, I put it on, I follow the steps, which I'll go through the steps. I'm not going to go through ingredients, just because I do that on a different one. And in advance, prior to me trying this product on, my friend was like, I don't know about that product, Sarah. It burned my lips, and I was like, oh great. I signed up for SENEGENCE. Now I have a product that burns my lips. I'm gonna react to it. I started freaking out. And then so I went into the bathroom. My husband was in the kitchen. I'm in the bathroom. I'm like, holy shit, it is staying on. I couldn't believe it. It like wasn't transferring off. I'll show you guys when I do it. Amazing, just crazy results. So again, I'm gonna stick with a cooler color because I'm wearing gray and I like to stick with cool tones if I'm wearing a cool tone. So this is called Goddess, and it is a lip scent. So my lips are clean and dry. You don't want anything on your lips. You don't want moisturizer or anything. They need to be cleaned and dried off. So the first thing you want to do, you want to shake, 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 like 30 seconds. It does have alcohol in it. So you're like shaking basically all of the ingredients together, making sure the alcohol's not settling anywhere. Okay, you want to take it and you're going to do one layer. You don't want to rub it back and forth. I do one layer on the outside and then I do the inside too. If my lips aren't chapped and they're like nice and hydrated, like if I continue to use the gloss, which I'll talk about, and they are hydrated, then I don't have a problem with it burning. Okay, I'm gonna do the top. I'm going over it, but it's okay. Just as long as I'm not like going. I don't really feel it. Dry. Okay. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna shake it again just for good measure. Alright, another layer. Now I'm not putting liner, so I am gonna kind of go over it a little bit extra to make sure that I get a nice line and it doesn't look crooked and crazy. We do sell liner, but I don't really, I'll play with it. I haven't needed it yet. I mean, it's not like the lipstick bleeds, so you don't have to worry about it bleeding, which is awesome because my lipstick has little lines already. And my lipstick does bleed, so. Alright. Last layer. The rolls are thin layers. I do one around, I do one inside so that when I'm drinking it doesn't come off inside. Thin layers. I did go back and forth a little bit. You're not supposed to. It's sticky because I haven't hit the gloss yet. You're not technically supposed to. It technically is may come off faster if you do it that way. I have not had a problem with it coming off at all, no matter which way I've done it. And I think for me it's just habit to do it that way, but I will say that in advance. So this is the moisturizing gloss. Super hydrating. Do this throughout the day as often as you want. And we have a matte gloss too, so if you want to keep the matte finish, you can, which is, you know, very in trend right now. So that's the beauty of this, that you can keep the matte finish and still keep your lips hydrated. If you don't do the gloss over the top of it, this is, you know, the next step. If you don't do the gloss over the top of it, it is not gonna stay like it's supposed to. It's not gonna stay, and it's gonna feel really sticky, because right now it's like tacky. Okay, so here we go. This is Opal Gloss. Can you see that? This is Opal Gloss. Ooh, I haven't tried this one yet, actually. This is really iridescent though. I would probably do the just the clear gloss or the matte, actually. But anyways, look at that. Look, nothing. I couldn't believe it when I did it the first time. Can you believe that? Nothing is on this. Watch, and I'll do something. I'll do a couple different things. So everyone can see. Okay, regardless of, I would wear this color actually, because I'm all about, like, I love my cool tones. I just do. And it looks really cool. Ooh, it's fun. It's like, ooh yeah, I like it. Yeah. Okay, anyways. So here's the test. Watch. No lipstick, right? No lipstick? I love tea, by the way. I think I was born in the wrong country because I'm such a tea drinker. Nothing but my gloss. That's all that's on there is my gloss. Came off, that's it. Nothing.
Everybody put your hands in the air.
All you brides out there, this is what you need to wear. It's not transferring on anyone. This is the shit. Okay. And one last test. Alright, hair's coming out. I look like a hot ass now. What? Nothing! I still can't believe it. When I look at my finger, I'm like, how is it possible? There's like nothing on my finger. I just can't believe it. Stays. Look, nothing. Nothing. The gloss is coming off of my finger, but no color, just the freaking opal gloss. Crazy. Anyways, I hope you guys had fun. I hope you enjoyed watching. So that was the Get Ready With Me series. You know, if you guys comment, just tell me what you want me to do, what videos you want to see, and I am down. I will do whatever. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching, and I can't wait till next time. If you didn't like it, not everybody's probably gonna like me. That's okay. I'm okay with that. I had fun, and I enjoyed myself. So, life's too short, right?